stewardess said. Both pilots?
Can you fly this plane and land it?
Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious, and don't call me Shirley.
Doctor, I've checked everyone. Mr. Stryker is the only one.
What flying experience do you have?
I flew single-engine fighters in the Air Force, but this plane has 4 engines. It's an entirely different kind of flight. Altogether.
It's an entirely different kind of flying.
Besides, I haven't touched an airplane in 6 years.
Mr. Stryker, I know nothing about flying, but I do know one thing. You're the only one on this plane that can fly it. You're our only chance we've got.